Sweep Masters here, working out of Finesse Customs. We got a 2010 Ford Fusion, removing the sweep on the back door. We got a little circle here. Just get your little pick in behind it, peel down using a T20 Torx bit. Remove the screw. Just grab a hold of the handle, pop it out, and this will come out too, nice and easy. Another T20 right here. One screw is longer than the other. The long one goes on the end. Just get on here and give a good pull. Sound like it's alright. There's the sweep. Just pull straight up and put everything back the same way. Just snap back on. And that's 2010 Fusion right rear door. Alright, 2010 Fusion. Same one, we're doing the right front door. Sweep Masters here. We're in Finesse Customs. We're going to move the little circle out with our pick. And you got T20 bit. Got T20 here. Alright, so we're going to get in there. Remove it. We're going to remove the handles, or the remove this screw. And we're going to remove the bezel. Should just kind of slip out fairly easy. And just let it hang there. Alright, just get a hold, give it a couple quick jerks. There's the sweep. And just replace it the same way. Alright. Alright, so we got Sweep Masters and 2010 Ford Fusion. And don't forget to look at the bottom of our list there, and we'll have a list of tools we use for the job. Alright, thank you. Catch you guys next time.